How does replacing insulation affect system performance? Replacing old or damaged insulation can help heating and cooling systems work more efficiently by slowing the movement of indoor and outdoor heat. Insulation acts like a blanket around your home, helping warm air stay inside during winter and hot outdoor air stay outside during summer. When insulation is missing, wet, flattened, or poorly installed, your heating and cooling system must run longer to keep rooms comfortable. Replacing it can reduce this workload, lower energy use, and help indoor temperatures stay more even. It can also make rooms quieter because many insulation materials reduce sound traveling through walls and ceilings. A lesser-known detail is that insulation does not create heating or cooling. It only slows heat movement, so air leaks around windows, doors, pipes, and wiring must also be sealed. Before replacing insulation, check the attic, crawl space, and exterior walls for moisture, mold, or roof leaks, because new insulation should not cover an ongoing problem. Use the correct thickness and type for your climate, and make sure attic ventilation remains clear near the roof edges. After the work, give the system time to adjust, then compare energy bills and room temperatures over several weeks. One common mistake is adding insulation over wet or moldy material, so repair leaks and remove damaged insulation first. Another mistake is blocking attic vents, which can trap moisture and damage the roof, so keep ventilation paths open. People also sometimes expect new insulation to fix every comfort problem, but leaky ducts, dirty filters, and an oversized or undersized system can still cause trouble, so inspect those parts as well. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.